Sir, for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this wonderful project. Uh, what can I say? It was just a boyhood dream that the voice which has actually defined the film industry, Mr. Bachchan. Uh, a few years back when I passed out from FTI, to think that I'll be writing the words which Mr. Bachchan will speak, uh, it was just a dream, and thank you, sir, for making this dream come true, not just in terms of the dialogues, but also a poem, a song that I have written. I hope you like it. I hope you like the film. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And Ghazal, you want to say?
I'm quite unexpectedly here. I mean, with such big names having spoken already, it's. I feel a little nervous being here. This is the first film work of mine that's getting released, and I feel really humbled and privileged and very, very grateful. So, and if I can say it myself, I've seen the film and it's brilliant. So I hope you all, when you watch it, will think likewise. Thank you.
Now let me call the director, Bijoy Nambiar, who directed this.
Hi. Before I start, can I just, if you don't mind, sir, can I just request Abhijit to just recite the poem? Since Javed Saab is here, it'll be nice to recite the poem. This poem, I feel, was also the essence of the film.
Slightly embarrassing because
I hope you remember the lines.
yeah, I vaguely remember the lines. But after Javed Saab has recited something so
See, it's a boyhood dream, like dream to actually stand in front of you and recite a poem. So.
Okay, so it goes like खेल खेल में खेल खेल के खेल खेल ये आ जाएगा हार जीत से हार जीत के जीत हारना सिखलाएगा हाल चाल का बेहाल हाल है चाल चाल नहीं एक सवाल है एक सवाल के 100 जवाब है हर सवाल का एक हिसाब है चाल का ना कोई चाल चलन हो दोगलापन एक ही नियम हो खेल खेल में खेल खेल के खेल खेल ये आ जाएगा rest of it is in the film so you can
Thanks, Abhijit. I would just like to, first of all, say that exactly 1 year ago, we released the teaser of the film. The first teaser of the film was released exactly 1 year ago when PK had released. And at the risk of sounding immodest, I just want to say that I was confident then, and I'm extremely confident now of the film that we have made. And it's purely because of the fantastic support that I got, first and foremost, from my producer and writer and editor, Mr. Vidu Vinod Chopra. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me that opportunity, for giving me all the support, for mentoring me like a child and taking me through this entire procedure. But apart from him, of course, my other writer, Mr. Abhijat Joshi, thank you so much, sir, for just being part of this, for being patient with me and helping me through this film. And of course, my fantastic cast. I couldn't have asked for a better cast than what I got. This is my third film. For my third feature, to actually work with someone like Mr. Bachchan, work with Farhan, whose work I've admired for so many, from the time I started my career. So to actually get a chance to work with such a powerhouse of talent, it's like a dream come true. Like he said, it's a boyhood dream to actually get to work with such people. And lastly, I would like to just thank my crew who just stuck with me through thick and thin. And it's been a long wait. So January 8th, we're finally releasing. We can't change that date anymore. We announced it. So now we are coming on Jan 8th. Let any other film come into it, I don't care. So after, I think, let me not take up too much time. I would just like to invite my cast here, Farhan, Aditi, Neil, please come on stage. Sorry, can I just call Anjum also? Anjum, please. Sorry, I missed you. You go first.
Hi, Good afternoon, everyone. Everyone's got stories around this film. I have my own. I remember Laksh had just released, and I was driving back home. There was a screening that had happened for the industry, and Vidhu also happened to be there, and he had seen it. And then he called me from the car, and he said, "Mujhe first half bahut achhi lagi thi, and the second half." And it's amazing. I mean, since then, since I've known him, I've tremendously appreciated his honesty, regardless of whether it's to himself with his own work or it is to somebody else, like me who's still learning. And he told me, and he said, there's this one script. I want you to hear the script. So I was like, acha, he's that guy. And I think it was called maybe The Fifth Move or something at that time. Yeah. So he said, it's called The Fifth Move. And I want you to hear that script. And I want your feedback on that screenplay. So I was like, now this is very sweet. He's telling me things, I made a film. And I don't know when I'll meet him and when I'll hear the script and when all this will happen. And then this was in 2004. And then we met in 2014, which is 10 years later. When you called me up and you said, "Yaad hai maine tekho kaha tha us script ke bare mein?" I'm like, "Huh? Kab?" So he's like, 10 saal pehle, us sham, jab tum ghar laut rahe the. So I said, "Oh yeah, I remember." So he said, "I want to come and meet you with that." And it was the same script. So it's amazing that how life just came a full circle 10 years later. And I actually got to hear that script for one. And I was blown away. From the moment that you told me about that script, and really kudos to you, I mean to Abhijat, to Abhijit, to everybody who's written this film, to Gayatri. It really, really was a very special script. It moved me from the word go. It's a very emotional film. I mean, I think there's so much focus here, actually in the trailer, on the thrill element, on the action element. But when you really get into watching the film, it moves you deeply. And it makes you think about things, in life that are very, very important. So thank you very much, really, for this wonderful journey of making this film. And of course, to work with Bijoy. Bijoy and me have again met in the past over various things, discussed various different scripts, different subjects. I'm really glad that I got to work with him. He's a supremely fine technician, and he's a very, very easy person to work with because he gives you a lot of space to be able to express yourself. So thank you very much for allowing that to happen. Thank you. And of course, to the rest of the cast, everybody up here on stage, it's been a pleasure working with all of you. And I think that's really all I'd like to say. Thank you very much. I've had a great time being on this movie. Thank you.
Please, Aditi.
Good afternoon, and I'm actually quite speechless because I don't think there are enough words to express how I actually feel about this entire experience and this journey. Of one being chosen for a film like this, I went through various Agni Parikshas and various tests, as Vinod sir is very famous for, which I have heard about. But I'm I feel so privileged that I was picked for this, that they had faith in me, that I could play this lovely girl, Ruhana. It's been a completely surreal experience. Like everybody is talking about their childhood dreams. For me also, it's been like living a dream, where I've constantly pinched myself, been bruised various times. To have been on a set with these amazing people, from Vinod sir to Raju sir, Abhijat Joshi, Farhan Akhtar, who I'm constantly googly-eyed around, Mr. Bachchan, who is just, it would be foolish to even say anything. And of course, this amazing cast, and Bijoy, who was the first person who called me and said, "Will you be a part of this?" And I was like, "You're asking me?" So it's just been amazing, and I really consider myself privileged and blessed to have been through this journey. So thank you very much. And I hope you really like this film. I hope you love this film and watch it repeatedly. I hope.
Now I would just like our title guy, Mr. Wazir, to talk. So here's to Mr. Wazir. Neil.
Very good evening. Good morning, good afternoon to all you lovely people. Bijoy, after seeing this promo, I'm actually kind of nervous to talk out here. He's handed over the responsibility of me playing the title role of Wazir. And Vidhu sir, thank you so much. Bijoy and I have worked on a film called David before. And after seeing that film, Vidhu sir called me and he said that, Neil, I'd like to meet you. So I went to the office and I met sir. And he said that there's this very important character in the film. He's the antagonist of the film. And after seeing David, I think you'd do a good job. So I said, okay. Let me hear it out. So I heard it. And then Vidhu sir and Bijoy and I sat in his cabin and he said, how are you going to portray it? And I was blank. I was really blank. I had no idea. And then Vidhu sir just planted the seed of how Wazir should actually be portrayed on screen. And then he went and told me that you have a task, a mammoth task, because you're portraying a character which has to intimidate Mr. Bachchan's character on screen. I said, I can't do this because how in this world, how can you intimidate somebody whose name and presence itself intimidates you? So, but then I said to myself, I said my career would be incomplete if I hadn't worked with Mr. Bachchan, with Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Rajkumar sir, Abhijat, Bijoy, Farhan, Javed sir. This association would not have happened if I hadn't said yes at that point. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thanks Bijoy. Thank you Farhan. Thank you all you guys.
Anju, quickly, favorite?
Yeah. Hello everybody. I would just like to thank, when I knew that I would be part of this film, I was just counting reasons to be, Vidhu sir, Bachchan sir, Abhijat ji, Farhan. It was like endless. I was like, are there any other reasons also? I would just like to thank Vidhu sir. Right from my childhood, Parinda has been my most influenced film. And I'm sure it has been for so many other people.
Same here, sir. So we have, for me, it was like a textbook in filmmaking. Parinda used to go watch just to learn stuff.
It's still, I have not seen in a film Bombay captured better than that film. I go back to that film and I can just go on talking about it. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Abhijat, sir. Farhan, I remember when I met him, we were on the shoot, I told him that Dil Chahta is the only film which I have seen 7 times in theatre. So I was just so excited and thankful.
Luckily, you didn't say go back to direction.
It was so difficult for me to just, perform in front of him when he comes like 110% prepared on set. So I had to be like 200% prepared. So it was so good. And of course, Bijoy. Thank you, Bijoy. I want to thank you. I have not done that now, abhi tak. I want to thank you for making me part of Wazir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. We'll be open to the Q&A. I'll request everyone to come on the stage.
The one thing that I want to mention here, that the last time we associated with Reliance was in Three Idiots. We have some people from Reliance here who worked with us on Three Idiots. And it was just amazing, Arun, Sameer Chopra were here, that it took me back that this is the team that made the t-shirts for Three Idiots and they've done it for Wazir. So thank you so much, Arun, Sameer, whoever here is from Reliance, to one more time, we are associating each other. Come up quickly you can show you, is that Sameer here somewhere? Yeah, there. Okay. So that's Sameer Chopra who's handling now the marketing from Reliance, and Arun Mehra who's designed the t-shirt and all of this here. Thank you so much, guys. So we are now open to Q&A, I guess. So you guys sit here and we are open. Abhijat, you'd probably like to join us.
Yes. Can I ask Abhijat to please come up?
Yes.
Hi Farhan. मेरा नाम आलोक है, मैं कोई आपसे सवाल है आपके लेफ्ट कि ये शतरंज का खेल आपने खेला है, इस फिल्म के लिए आपको खास तौर से इसमें काफी प्लान करना पड़ा होगा?
नहीं, मैंने खेल खेला है बचपन में। एक्चुअली जो मेरे पेरेंट्स थे वो बहुत खेला करते थे अपने दोस्तों के साथ, तो हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं एक चेस बोर्ड कमरे में पड़ा रहता था। तो वी आर मोर फैसिनेटेड बाय द फिगर्स एक्चुअली देन द गेम इटसेल्फ टू स्टार्ट विद। तो कभी कभी इमेजिनरी गेम्स उस पर बन जाते थे अलग अलग किस्म के, बट एज यू लर्न, सो दिस इज समथिंग आई हैव डन फॉर क्वाइट अ व्हाइल। मतलब कई सालों से मैं कोई ज़्यादा कोई चैम्पियन नहीं हूँ, एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, बट आई नो हाउ टू प्ले द गेम, और आई विल गिव अ वेरी गुड फाइट बिफोर आई डू गो डाउन फाइटिंग।
नील, आपसे सवाल मेरा है कि एक पावरफुल हीरो के लिए एक पावरफुल विलन होना भी काफी जरूरी होता है उसके सामने, तो अपने किरदार के लिए उस पावरफुल इंसान के लिए आप टाइटल भी हैं इस फिल्म के, उसके लिए क्या मशक्कत थी, कुछ खास एक्स्ट्रा किया आपने, क्योंकि फ्रंट में फरहान भी थे, पंडित जी भी थे?
पहली बात तो ये फिल्म बहुत ज़्यादा ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, और जिस किस्म की कहानी है और क्योंकि खेल के ऊपर है, तो सारे जो मोहरे हैं यहाँ पे एक किस्म से बहुत ही दिलचस्प किस्म के कैरेक्टर्स हैं इस फिल्म में। तो जाहिर सी बात है कि जब मुझे बिजॉय और विदु सर ने इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में कहा तो काफ़ी सवाल जवाब उठे दिमाग में कि इस कैरेक्टर को पोर्ट्रे कैसे किया जाए, और ख़ास तौर पे एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो कि बहुत ही अनप्रिडिक्टेबल किस्म का है, नेचर में बहुत अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, और क्योंकि इंटिमिडेट करना है, क्योंकि नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर है, तो कहीं पे भी मुश्किल बात ये थी कि कैरेक्टर को लिखा ऐसा गया है कि कभी कभी कैरिकेचरिश हो सकता था। तो मेरा बस कंट्रीब्यूशन इतना ही था बिजॉय के साथ, और अमित सर यहाँ पे आज है नहीं, अमित जी, उनके साथ, कि इस कैरेक्टर को कैरिकेचरिश कैसे ना बनाएं, और जितना इसे डरावना बनाएं उतना ज़्यादा इसका जो डर है फिल्म में रहेगा आपके साथ। जी।
He was here for the first trailer launch, if you remember, and he has some shoot, and this for me, today's event was really dedicated to Javed Saab and to the writers, and we are talking about really the writing, and he's here with us in spirit. It's not a big thing for me.
I'm sure if he could, he would have definitely been here today, but sadly because of his shoot schedules.
TV का show चल रहा है कुछ, so he's there, but that's understandable. See, there are two reasons. First of all, the special effects that we are doing on Bachchan Saab's legs, I was not happy with that. See, I never want to make a film and release it in a hush. A lot of people do that. I was just telling Arun Mehra outside that if we have more time, we can do a better film. Rohit is here somewhere. Rohit Kulkarni, who's doing the background. We can just raise his hand if he's somewhere here. He's doing a great job, but we are taking time over every reel. So I'm not the kind of guy, whether, if you remember, PK, we delayed by 6 months. We were supposed to come in June, we went to December. Why did we do that? Not because we were saying, acha, June mein koi aur film aa rahi, because we thought we'd need time. So we needed time, and I'm very glad that we went a month. I think we'll be ready, the film will be ready by 15th December or so, 15th, 20th, we'll be ready. So if we had to release on 4th, we would have that crunch. I still don't know how people are still shooting and they release their films. And I think somewhere वो film पे थोड़ा प्रभाव पड़ता है, इतने प्रेशर में जब फिल्म बनती है तो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत रह जाता है. We like to make our films आराम से, with love, and release it with love. So that's why 8 Jan is, we'll be ready in December, but 8 Jan is when we release.
Farhan, on your end, congratulations to you and the team for the trailer. The trailer is fantastic. My question to you is, Mr. Bachchan is known for, for his humor. On screen तो आप दोनों के बीच में बहुत ही seriousness दिखाई दे रही, but off screen कुछ ऐसे कुछ किस्से हुए थे आपके Mr. Bachchan के बीच में जहाँ मतलब कुछ मजाक मस्ती हुई हो, ऐसा कुछ आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, this is the best place to talk about it. नहीं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं सेट पे, मगर वो चीज़ें सेट पे ही रहती हैं. अगर कुछ शेयर करना है जो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा है, आई वुड लीव इट अप टू हिम टू शेयर. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स इन माय प्लेस. मतलब मैं जेन्युइनली आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि मुझे उनके साथ इतना वक्त बिताने का मौका मिला. हम सब उनके बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं, उनकी फिल्में देख देख कर हम बड़े हुए हैं. दैट्स इंस्पायर्ड अस आल्सो टू बी इन फिल्म. So just to sit with him, listen to him. I spoke to him a lot about the past, about him approaching other roles, about his association, of course, with Salim Saab and with my father, how they worked together. So my interest really lay there in a lot of conversations, and we spoke a lot. मतलब बहुत वक्त हमने दीवार के बारे में बात की. मतलब जब हम मिलते थे बहुत सारी conversations दीवार को लेकर हम दोनों ने की. मगर और of course he's very witty, he's very funny, और हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं एक हंसी मजाक का मोमेंट होता था. But those are private things.
विदु सर, मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है. On your end, मेरा सवाल है 70s and 80s were considered as the golden era of Bollywood और इन दोनों के पीछे मतलब बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है सलीम साहब और जावेद साहब जी। तो एज ए डायरेक्टर आप कितना इस बात को कितना मिस करते हैं कि आज सलीम साहब और जावेद साहब की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है? मतलब यू आर blessed with अभिजात सर एंड राजकुमार सर, बट हाउ मच डू यू मिस दैट बॉलीवुड नीड्स सलीम एंड जावेद साहब टू कम अगेन?
बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करता हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करता हूँ। ये आज जो हमने कहा कि इट्स अबाउट द राइटर्स एंड जावेद साहब इज काइंड इनफ टू कम, क्यों हम कह रहे हैं? अब जब आप वजीर देखेंगे आपको पता चलेगा, आपने पीके देखी होगी, एक 3 इडियट्स, आपको पता चलेगा कि जो राइटर हैं असल में वही फिल्म बनाते। अगर आप इनके सलीम जावेद साहब की कोई भी फिल्म ले लीजिए, दीवार ले लीजिए, एक एक डायलॉग, एक एक चीज़ आपको याद है। आज क्या याद है मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या याद है। फ्राइडे को कितना कलेक्शन हुआ? संडे को ड्रॉप हो गया क्या? तो नहीं चली। कहां से कहां पहुंच गए हम लोग। आज फिल्म का ट्रेलर रिलीज है और जावेद साहब ने इतनी कमाल की नज्म पढ़ी है, इसका मतलब है कि कहीं सिनेमा आर्ट है। हम नहीं कहते बोरिंग, बहुत एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, आप देखिएगा वजीर, बहुत मजा आएगा आपको। मैं बुरी तरह कुछ बोलने वाला था, फिर मैंने सोचा प्रेस है तो मैं बोल नहीं रहा हूं, पर बिल्कुल हाथ में आ जाएगा, आप देखिएगा। क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि 4 साल हमने लिखी कहानी, 4-5 साल। आज यू नो व्हाट यू सेड फरहान ने जो कहा, इट रियली मूव्ड मी। और मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं था कि लक्ष्य के फर्स्ट हाफ की तारीफ की थी और सेकंड हाफ की बुराई की थी, माफ कीजिएगा। मैं बोल देता हूं, मुझे निकलने से पहले घर से बीवी ट्रेन करके भेजती कि किसी की बुराई मत करना। लेकिन आपने एक चीज शायद नोटिस नहीं की, 10 साल पहले फरहान ने ये पढ़ी थी, मैंने कहा था कहानी सुनो। एक और बात बताता हूं जो फरहान साहब ने बताई नहीं है। जब फरहान ने यस बोल दिया तो उन दिनों जावेद साहब और मेरा बहुत चल रहा था, तो मैंने कहा यार ये कैसे इसने यस बोल दिया, जावेद साहब आपको बताई नहीं बात। तो फरहान आया, मैंने कहा यार तूने यस कैसे बोल दिया, मैं तो बहुत खराब आदमी हूं। बोला आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी है क्या? तो आप पढ़िए, आपको भी मैं झेल लूंगा, कहानी इतनी अच्छी है। तो सर कहानी, इनको हम इतना मिस करते हैं कि आज के ज़माने में कहाँ हैं वो, बहुत ज़रूरी है इनका होना। तो आई रियली, जावेद साहब एक एक कहानी आप लीजिए, तो आई रियली मिस गुड राइटिंग।
Hi guys, this is Karmik Verma from mykarmik.com off at your 2 o'clock, center right, center right. Congratulations everyone, I think it's a splendid trailer and I'm booking myself for the 8th of Jan. My question is to... Round of applause. Thank you. My question is to Neil, Farhan and Aditi. The movie is revolving around chess. What is the one chess piece that each of you, with respect to your characters, relates to the most after doing this movie?
I think मेरा जवाब बहुत ही सिंपल है. I think जो टाइटल रोल है मेरा वजीर का, I think it's the best character. I personally also feel myself as an actor who's easily moldable. So I've tried this very hard in my career, from Johnny Gaddar till Wazir, that I don't stick to a particular genre, and I don't kill my talent in the process of trying very hard to sell something else but my talent. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm glad that I have the character of Wazir to who can slither anywhere. Yeah.
Well, the Begum, because without the Begum, the Badshah has no anchor. And the Badshah is vulnerable. Yeah.
बाकी के सारे pieces मैं ले लेता हूँ. No, I mean, if at all, I've never really thought about this, to be honest with you. But if at all it had to be anything, I'd probably just see myself as the Pagal Hathi, I guess. Because I think that kind of focus to do something good is very, very important. And anything we get into, I think what is asked of you, most importantly, is your time and your honesty and your sincerity. And I think that's all that we can offer as actors, to a director and to a producer, is to be straight up with them and to be honest and give it our best shot, and to lose ourselves in that and be so focused that nothing else really matters at that point. So I think I see myself as that.
मुझे
आप देखिए
ये जो terms है ना, उससे I don't understand these terms because it limits whatever it is that you're doing. And what happens is हम बोल देते हैं लेकिन वो फिर वही हो जाता है